German engineering has always been hailed as top-notch, be it the Tiger tank of World War II or today's Leopard 2 main battle tank. There's just something about German big cats, and the Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle is no different. The Lynx is a baby among the offered infantry fighting vehicles. The vehicle has been developed by Rheinmetall as a cheaper and simpler alternative of the Puma, which it manufactures for the German company Bundeswehr, together with Krauss-Maffei Wegmann. The Lynx KF31 was first publicly introduced in 2016 in the Eurosatory Military Trade Fair in Paris, where 2 years later, a new, prolonged model, KF41, in configuration of an infantry fighting vehicle and commander staff vehicle was disclosed. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at this vehicle, designed to be very capable, agile, and a mighty war machine for the future battlefields of the world. Before we get started, if you do enjoy this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get more sent straight to your notifications. Military operations are growing increasingly complex and harder to predict. This makes a completely new vehicle concept necessary, a concept that takes full account of the changes taking place on the 21st century battlefield, a concept that is radically different and uncompromisingly innovative. Never has the principle of modularity been pursued so systematically. This is evident not only in the sheer number of options available when configuring the Lynx for land warfare capabilities, but also in the latest developments in Rheinmetall mission module design, which are no less revolutionary. The KF41 Lynx is longer than the earlier version KF31 model. The KF31 measures roughly 7¼ meters, whereas the KF41 Lynx measures almost 7¾ meters. It also has a more powerful engine and weighs in at 44 tons, which is 10 tons more than the KF31. The KF41 has been designed to offer a new generation of tracked armor, offering modularity and a high level of protection. The feature at the heart of this vehicle's design concept is the separation and modularity of the vehicle into two parts: the basic vehicle and specialist mission and role equipment. Specific variants can be built around a common hull and common mobility assemblies and protection components, to which role and mission-specific equipment can be added according to customers' requirements. This design approach combines the functional, cost, and through-life advantages of a modular structure and the weight, space, and cost advantages of integral hull design. In 2018, the Lynx KF41 variant was presented with a Lance 2.0 turret, the next generation of the in-service Lance family, and has been developed to improve its suitability for an infantry fighting vehicle. Lance 2.0 has various enhancements that provide a troop of Lynx KF41 vehicles with a very high level of organic capability, thus allowing the troop to have a disproportionate effect on the battlefield. The Lance 2.0 features enhanced protection for critical subsystems against kinetic and fragmentation threats, improving system survivability during close combat. The next enhancement is the integration of the new Voten 35 electrically driven 35mm cannon that fires Rheinmetall's proven and in-service 35 by 228mm ammunition family. Due to its larger caliber, the Voten 35 delivers a longer range and deeper penetration. A 7.62mm coaxial machine gun is mounted to the left of the main armament. The Lance 2.0 turret also has two flexible mission pods fitted to the left and right of the turret that allow the installation of a variety of subsystems to give the turret a specialist capability. The turret can also be armed with the proven Rheinmetall 30mm cannon and one 7.62mm coaxial machine gun. The 30mm cannon has a maximum elevation and depression of plus 45 degrees and negative 10 degrees. The roof of the turret can be equipped with remotely controlled main sensor slaved armament that works in conjunction with the commander's panoramic sight and is armed with one 12.7mm heavy machine gun. The Lance turret can be configured in manned and unmanned versions, operated from workstations within the rear of the hull. The Lynx turret could also integrate loitering munitions to be used as anti-tank weapons. The KF-41 Lynx has a unique design using a common drive module and a flexible mission kit arrangement to allow any base vehicle to be configured as an infantry fighting vehicle, an armored personnel carrier, a command vehicle, a recovery vehicle, or an ambulance. The driver position is located at the front left side of the hull. It has 3 large vision blocks offering excellent front and side vision. The mission kit includes a drop-in roof plate that can be fitted to any drive module with associated equipment to create a Lynx variant. A mission kit can be exchanged and the protection configuration modified within 8 hours. The crew compartment is designed as a mission-neutral space with the incorporation of C-rails and a pattern of universal fixing points on the walls and floors. The internal volume of the Lynx KF-41 drive module is unrivaled for a tracked infantry fighting vehicle with a manned turret. 8 dismount seats can be seen folded up, with the Lance 2.0 turret basket in the background. The drive module has space for up to 9 blast-reducing troop seats, in addition to a crew of 3 in the case of a manned Lance 2.0 turret. The infantrymen enter and leave the vehicle through a large power-operated ramp mounted at the rear of the common drive module, positioned between the cooling systems. The modular survivability systems of the Lynx provide unprecedented flexibility to cope with the wide variety of threats faced. The ballistic and mine protection packages can be easily exchanged, even in the field if needed, while the full spectrum of threats have been taken into account, including roof protection against cluster munitions. The Lance turret is designed with an internal ballistic protection cell for the crew. There are no weapons or ammunition stowed in this cell, as the main and coaxial weapons are fitted in cradles at the front of an external to the cell. The main armament ammunition is stowed in a separate compartment that wraps around the sides and rear of the turret. The mission pod can contain 2 Spike LR-2 long-range anti-tank guided missiles, suicide drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, electronic warfare package, surface-to-air missiles, or various other systems. The KF-41 Lynx has a power pack in the front of the hull, including an 1140 horsepower Leopard engine and a proven rank transmission. The final drives are mounted in the front, and the idler sprockets with track tensioners are mounted at the rear. The running gear has 6 road wheel stations per side, which guide a lightweight end connector track. The combat vehicle uses an advanced military suspension system, which is designed to withstand extreme force, and the bump stops are engineered to reduce intense shocks. The propulsion system provides a maximum speed of 70 km per hour and an operational range of 500 kilometers. The vehicle is capable of climbing slopes up to 60% and side slopes up to 30%. Its trench crossing capability is 2.5 meters, vertical step passability is up to 1 meter, and the fording depth is 1.5 meters. Standard equipment of the KF-41 Lynx includes heating, air conditioning, fire suppression, cooling, and nuclear, biological, and chemical filtration systems combined in an environmental control system. The vehicle is also fitted with a self-protection system, including the Rheinmetall 40mm rapid obscuration system and active protection system, designed to prevent line-of-sight guided anti-tank missiles from acquiring and/or destroying a target. The vehicle design also presents low visual, thermal, and acoustic signatures to improve battlefield survivability. The commanders and gunners stations have common human-machine interfaces, each with a duplex controller and central multifunction display. They both have a common main operational panel and a common battle management system display. The turret of the KF-41 Lynx is equipped with an electro-optical sensor system panoramic sight with an integrated laser rangefinder and FCS for the commander and gunner, a laser warning system, acoustic shooter locating system, situational awareness system featuring day and night vision, and automatic target recognition and video processing and distribution unit. The Optronic enables the turret crew to have unrestricted and class-leading capabilities for automatic detection, recognition, and identification of targets, whilst maintaining observation by day and night and staying protected inside the turret. The Optronics and laying system enable precise engagement of targets, and the 2 sights and independent weapon systems provide a killer capability. There is 360-degree independent digital sight for the commander and digital sight for the gunner. The Lynx KF31 was submitted for Australian and Czech procurement programs. In 2018, a single Lynx KF41 was presented on a military parade in Qatar. However, the status of the Qatari vehicle is unclear. In 2020, the Lynx was selected by Hungary, and a total of 218 of these armored vehicles were ordered. These will be produced in Hungary by a joint venture. The first batch of 46 vehicles is planned to be delivered to the Hungarian military by 2023. What do you think of this impressive new vehicle? Are there any other feats of engineering you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos straight to your notifications. Thanks for watching.